In the past 32 days exactly, I've been able to generate with one affiliate marketing campaign $56,000. To be exact, it's $56,031. We're actually going to log into my accounts live right now. I'm going to show you exactly what came in today. Today was another $2,500 day. And if you've been trying to do affiliate marketing and you haven't really been getting the types of results that you want, well, first of all, let me preface this by saying that obviously my results are not typical. I am in no way guaranteeing or suggesting that you're going to make 56,000 in 32 days. I just want to show you what is possible when you have the right type of campaign and when you send the right type of traffic. And in fact, I'm using free traffic. If you want me to show you exactly how this works, stick around and watch this video until the end. Now, before we dive straight into the video, before I show you all the results and also all of my team members' results, because at the end, I'm going to make an invitation for you to actually join me and leverage my exact campaign so you can start using it in your affiliate marketing business. Now, let's dive straight into the results. I want to show you exactly what came in. So hop over here to my email and let me show you basically what's been happening today. So here we are. This is my email, as you can see. And if I scroll back here, you can see that at 12:11 p.m., $300 came in. And then at 12:29, like 20 minutes later, another $197 came in. And then at 8:54 p.m., another $2,000 came in. If you add all of this up, that is approximately $2,500 in one day. Now, if we look at the last 32 days, let me actually show you. So let's hop over here. This is actually one of the income streams. There's a total of 4 different income streams that you can earn commissions with my marketing campaign, which if you scroll down just below this video, you're going to see a link in the comments. Just click on the link and it will take you to watch it. There's 3 simple steps to making this work. Number 1 is you need to watch the webinar. Number 2 is you need to get set up with my team and join my team. I want you specifically to join from this video that you're watching right now, because here's the thing. I know how to do this. I know how to do affiliate marketing the correct way. And I want to show you when you do it correctly, what can happen. So join at the Vertex Live, which is the level that's going to enable you to earn all these different $2,000 commissions. And take a look at this. So in the past, since September 19, if you've been following my videos, up until today, which is October, 21st, that's exactly 32 days. And in 32 days, I've been able to do 30,700. Now, even if this was the only result I got, this is already pretty impressive. That's like almost $1,000 a day. But here's the thing. This is actually not the only result. Let's hop over here because this is my shopping cart. Let me refresh this, see if maybe anything else came in. As you can see here, September 19th to October 21st, and an additional $25,331. If you add these two up, which I did just before I started this video, as you can see right there, that is a total of $56,031 in 32 days. Now, it's very, very important that you activate income stream number 1 of this marketing campaign, because when you're doing affiliate marketing, here's what I want you to know. You need to promote, if you're new to affiliate marketing, maybe you think that the right way to generate commissions online is to basically send traffic to one program, one affiliate link, one product that you're promoting. I can tell you from experience, because I've been doing this for a fairly long time, that is not the best way to do it. The better way to do it would be not to send them to see the program at all. The better way to do it would be to build a campaign, which I have already, that includes a webinar, marketing emails, follow-up emails. There's over 140 follow-up emails that are actually included with my campaign that I send on your behalf to the visitors that you're sending to the campaign. Any one of them that entered their email, I start following up with them. And every single email includes your affiliate links in it. So unless you're willing to roll up your sleeves and start creating a follow-up series by yourself, then click the link below and go check out the webinar. And then step 2 is join my team. Actually take the time and join and activate at the $2,000 level that will enable you to earn those $2,000, basically the Vertex Live level. Simply because if my marketing campaign helps you generate a sale and it's at a 2K sale, but you're not qualified to earn those commissions, you're not going to get them. So it's really important that you activate the Vertex Live level and join my team specifically, because I give you the campaign that I personally use that is generated me these actual results. Now here's the thing. You're probably wondering, okay, David, that's great, but is it working for other people? Like, I mean, it's great that it's working for you, but what about, other folks? Are members actually, generating results with this? Let me show you. So this is the group, as you can see here. This is the group where it says, I do the work and you get to keep all the commissions, right? And what work is that? Well, I did the webinar on your behalf. I sent out the emails on your behalf. I prepared a members area on your behalf. I include bonuses for your signups on your behalf. So essentially, I do the work and you get to keep all the commissions. Your job is, again, to do step number 1, click the link below. Step number 2, join my team, activate income stream number 1, the Vertex Live level, Vertex Live, remember that, Vertex Live. And on top of that, and beyond that, step 3 is to send traffic. Now here's the thing, I help you do this. I help you do exactly this, because here's the thing, I know that anybody can join any program. It's easy, the joining part is like easy. The part that people usually get stuck is how do I send traffic that actually can turn into sales? Isn't that really your question? Now let me show you. So check this out. This is what my team members are able to do. Here's a member by the name of Miles. 7 hours ago, he posted. This is today, by the way. We're not even going to, like, if I start going through all the different results, like this page is literally endless. Like I could literally keep going and going and going and going and going. And this is all members' results. Look, Miles made a commission. Dwayne made a commission. Paulo made a commission. Like I could just, it's an endless scroll. But forget about, all the stuff from before. Let's just look at today, okay? You're going to be invited to this group, by the way, so you can actually come in and check out all the different results that members are getting. But the reason that these members are getting so many results is because we're all using a secret campaign, a special campaign that, again, you can get access to that when you click the link just below this video. This is the exact campaign that I use that has generated me $56K in 32 days. And let's see, Miles is saying, look, David, I love you, but winter is coming. I had to take back the throne. So me and him are having this little back and forth about the number 1 spot on the leaderboard, which I'm going to show you in a second what happened with that. But take a look at this. He says, seriously, brother, thank you again for creating such an amazing, replicable, automated marketing system. So pay attention to this, because this is what really is the secret to making this work. You see this? I've already created it. You don't need to go out there and build pages and figure out how to do webinars and all that, and how to send emails and how to set up members area and what bonuses you should give. I've done it. I've already done it. It's already done. And you can get access to this campaign by clicking, again, just in the link in the description of this video, and you can get access to it. But take a look at this. He says anyone can win with this. And, it's a win, and just let them do it the right thing. So now it says, I'm truly blessed to grab the number 1 spot again. So he basically, I grabbed the number 1 spot first. Then he grabbed the number 1 spot on the leaderboard. Then I grabbed it again, and now he grabbed it again. So it's like a back and forth. So you see, like, this is proof that even like with my campaign, you can get better results than me. And look, he got a $2,000 commission that came in today while he was picking up cake for his wife's birthday. And now take a look at this. Spot number 1 was his earlier today. The reason I say earlier today is because there's been a change again. There I am. Here's another member of my team. 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 And here's another member of my team. So literally out of 9 spots on 10 total spots of a leaderboard, 9 of them are my team members. Now, do you understand why I want you to join with me? Before we look at that, I'm serious about this. I know how this works. I know how to generate affiliate commissions. My campaign can do that for you. Now, it's up to you what you do with it, right? I could give you the best campaign in the world, but if you do nothing with it, nothing is going to happen. But if you follow my instruction, and step 1, click the link below, go check out the webinar, sit down and actually watch it. I reveal secrets there that will blow your mind. Like, it's unbelievable. Not to mention all the results you're going to see, not to mention how everything works, and you're going to see basically how it's actually possible for you to generate results online. Step 2, join me specifically at this, my team. I want you to join my team. Why? Because I'm going to give you what you need, like this campaign, and a bunch of other bonuses that you're going to get that would genuinely help you in potentially making this work. Now, again, will you use them? That's up to you. But here's the thing. If you don't have these things, then you're making it a million times harder for yourself. This is why I want you to join my team, and join today at the Vertex Live level. Step 3 is the traffic. Let's talk about that before I show you more results. Let's talk about that. One of the ways that I've been generating traffic, I like to generate free traffic from Facebook, from YouTube. Now, YouTube, let's talk about that. So how do you generate free traffic from YouTube? Well, you need to make videos, right? Now, you're probably watching this and you're saying, I get it, but David, I'm kind of new. How would I generate traffic from YouTube? I don't want to make videos. Maybe you're shy. Maybe you don't want to put your face on camera. Maybe you don't have an environment where you can easily record videos. I mean, videos are not that, they're not that hard to do, but they do require effort, right? Like this video that I'm making right now. So how about we do this? You join at the Vertex Live, click the link below, watch the webinar, join at the Vertex Live, and I will help you by giving you access, giving you the actual video files that I personally use, like the videos, just like this video that you're watching right now. I will give you the video files so you can leverage video in your affiliate marketing business to generate traffic. Keep 100% of the traffic, whatever visitors come in, you don't need to share those with me. And keep 100% of whatever commissions come in. Think about that. So you don't need to lift a finger to record a single video. You can just leverage my videos, build your own following with that. And on top of that, you get to keep 100% of the commissions. Like who does that for you? Where have you seen a team leader that can help you do that? I haven't seen anything like that. So now that's not it, by the way. It actually goes way, way beyond that. Another thing that I do for you, before we even talk about that, there's a secret software that I use as well, which I'm not going to mention on this video, but there is something that you're going to discover what it is on the webinar when you click the link below and go watch it. But make sure to watch the webinar from beginning until the end, because I talk about the secret software briefly in there, and it's something that I actually give you when you join my team. So make sure to do that. Now, another thing you get is through a special deal that I've negotiated with the program that we're promoting, Income Stream Number 1. You're going to actually get from them directly 200 visitors already going to your affiliate link of my marketing campaign, because we want to help you to get some traffic. Now, I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to get any sales from that traffic, but imagine if one sale comes in, that's potentially $2,000. Imagine if 2 come in, that's $4,000. Like seriously, how much do you need to make a month? If you're doing $2,000 commissions, how many of those do you possibly need? I've been doing them almost every single day, sometimes twice a day. I've had $4,000 or $5,000 days with this exact marketing campaign. The same one you see just down here. And I let you use the whole thing. Like the exact one that I'm using. Not a similar campaign, not like a copy of it or something. Like the actual campaign that I use. Nothing different. Exactly the same thing. So, step number 1, click the link below in the video description. Go watch the webinar. Step number 2, join my team. Join me personally. I want to welcome you into the group So I can give you all the bonuses. I can hook you up with a marketing campaign, the exact one that I use that's been generating me these insane results. So I can hook you up with it, plus all the bonuses, including the traffic, including the videos, including all of that. The secret software too, which again, I'm not going to mention what it is. Now, the last thing is, let me show you some more results for members, because I know that you want to see this, right? Like, it's one thing if I'm generating results with my own campaign, but what about members? Check this out. Garrett, another team member of mine, 9 hours ago, another $2,000 came in while I was having coffee with a friend. This system works. Very simple. Just send traffic and it just works. Check this out. Miles, again, yesterday posted another $2,000 commission. Angie on Wednesday posted that she made a $2,000 commission, as you can see right here. Angie is all the way from Australia. So if you're an international member, you're wondering, hey, does it work in my country, my area? But by the way, this is the reason I also want you to come into the group, because I do live Q&As, leaderboard updates, member questions, system updates. Like, I'm here to support you guys, right? I'm going to make sure that you're not left on your own and you're not sure what to do and stuff. That's not a good thing, right? I want to make sure that you join my team so I can help you. Now, let me show you one more thing. Just now, when I checked, check it out, the leaderboard, top 10 affiliates, I'm right here. Again, I'm playing swap with Miles. He takes the number one spot, then I take it, then he takes it. But currently, I'm right here. And again, my member, Miles, my member, Garrett, one of my members, Simon, team member, Paulo, team member, Jeff, team member, Tim, team member, Beatree, team member, Paulo. So out of 10 spots in a program that has thousands of affiliates, people who are using my marketing campaign are 9 of these spots. 9 spots. How do you explain this? Let me ask you. How can you explain that? Could that be a coincidence? Do you think that that's a coincidence? Do you think that that's something that, it's possible? No, it's not possible. There's a reason for it. The reason is my marketing campaign, my webinar, my follow-up emails, my members area, my videos, everything that I've set up. It's a system. It's a marketing campaign. Call it whatever you want, but it's a marketing campaign. Imagine if you were to build the best marketing campaign you possibly could, and I keep improving it, by the way. And it promoted up to 4 different programs for you, which you can earn commissions from. That's what you get when you click the link below. Go activate your system. Make sure to join my team. Join me personally, my team, by clicking the link just below. My team members, I want to see you in my team. And this way I can hook you up with all the different bonuses.